Kasin Savier College and Higher Secondary School Umoid, Southwest Kasil District, Haringkat ke jing ipo ipeng, haka arfo arterik urisau araja arfo ar, kala yo ban Rakhe ye kasngi kyrpang, jongki kmie kikpa, nika Parents Day, haka ba uba renik ton lang dok tangkar, Menteri Ketenat Umbam umdi jongka jala Meghalaya, but MLA jongka Mawphor constituency ulalong kum ukongsan. Haka ni kasngi layo ye kajingkran lamfrang na ofada Paul Coelho SJ ubadi principal jong Savier College and Higher Secondary School Umoid haka baula ong ba haka ni kasngi ba kyrpang jongki kmie kikpa neka Parents Day kum Savier College and Higher Secondary School Umoid kapan pau ye kajing songo nakabenta kmie kikpa kibala shem ye kasin jam bat kajingkit khle banpha e ki khon jongki haka ni kishlim ai ji hikai bat kadeiru kasngi kabaki khon jongki kenpen I yak kabakalayo jeng hikai uba renik ton lang do tongkhar ula ong ba kadi kasngi jong ka jingkemen ban yo byang ye kalat ban yeng hakmat jong ki samla pule kinong hikai bat kum jo ru hakmat jong ki nong punya jong ka Savier College and Higher Secondary School Umoid hakaba da ka jingdon jong ka ni ka shilem a ji hikai haka puli puti kalalong ka wei ni ka jingker ku ka bakraw ya ki samla jong ka dong ka than hi baro ka wei Hakani ke jingkan mau buram na kabenta kikmie kikpa la sakhilang na jingadon lang UMDC jong Mawphor constituency ba karne soshang u parish priest Mawphor Reverend Father Friday Khars Emyong but kiwe de kiblasha khots ngobha yakani ke sngi la penchit pensngan ru de ke jingshat ke jingrawai but ke jingpen I yak jingpen berngya na ki samla puli jong Savier College and Higher Secondary School Umoid Southwest Kasil District yak jingkren kublei layo na kasamla bandri lang jirwa BA third semester but both de ke jingrawai yak anthem jong school but ki jingshat
I'm telling you, it is my opportunity, my privilege to stand here in a world-class institution. Let us give a big hand for this. Kasih seorang haduk kata-kata ko kmie pa bangan yak banyak. Hakane ka institution kepada ka standar joka pertai. Kabandon hapok ka konstitusi jongi. Kabandon hapok ka area bahkan ka senang Umoid. I will be proud if one of my children is studying here in this institution. But unfortunately, none of my children are here. They are all grown up and they are outside. Ngan jendal school sarong. Lalu don iwe ni kunjunga kiban pule hakane ka school, hakane ka institution. Hendai yang sumla yau syu kata kalat, kunjunga kila he baro, kidon hiji pule sabah. Namar kata, hakane ka parents day. Ngakwa ban oi pigi kmie pa. Bab hilong kibaran bab haduk kata-kata. Bak hiyo ya kena ka kabu ya kena ka opportunity bak hiyo on pas school di kunjung pi ha kane ka institution kabari ka world class institution hilong kibaran bak hadu kata kata ki kmie pa bak ngakwa abro pi tos ngau sarong na kamta kane bak hiyo on pa ki kunjung pi ha kane ka school ha kane ka college kabom yaduna issue bak ki standard juga percaya barok away ngadang expect more thing from this institution. Ngadang kmie si bon ke na kaneka institution haka bangin yo baka kaneka institution kanang keu na kapo sa kapor. Father Paul, I'm very happy and I'm proud of you that you have come long way. You have taken a decision to come to this area to serve the people of this area, to serve the children of this institution. I'm very thankful of you. And thank you to all the teachers, the father, the sisters who are part of this institution. I'm very proud of you and thank you so much. The standard of the student out here, it is unbelievable. They have given us a surprise to see the standard of education in our area. I can proudly say that we are nothing less than do school in Shillong. And it will be still a big mistake if our children from here kumulay siya ay kmie pa kilo kasap kabaki kon jong pi kalapan lese kalalong palat ba dia kabaki kmie danti palat ya kabagi kmie danti kum kmie pa bangin yo ya ka jimbit jong kon jong kawai kabagi italat haduk kata-kata kalong ba kiknak na kinikidong kitan jong kabangin perkat bakin babreo bakin itanadar henry kaba pala kalong dalawan hakadika school hakadika institution they all look beautiful, look handsome. So dear students, you are privileged to be here in this institution that has changed you to be a beautiful girl, to be a handsome boy while studying in this college, in this institution. It's a really surprise to see that this institution has changed everything to our student here in this area. I am very thankful to the hosts who have managed so well and to all the participants who have participated wonderfully. And we are happy you have made this Parents' Day a meaningful one. Thank you. God bless you all.